In this video, I'll be showing you how to delete apps on Samsung Galaxy phone. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, there's two methods to go ahead and do this, so I'll be showing you both of them. The very first one is if you're on your home screen or any of your pages, it doesn't matter which one, just go ahead and find the app that you want to delete. Then all you got to do is long press on it. So for example, I could go right here. I'm going to see remove, but that's only going to remove it from my home screen. And then I want to see uninstall. So I want to press uninstall if I want to, completely remove it from my phone and my phone storage. I could also go over here and see the rest of my apps, like my app selector screen. And if you also want to see exactly what's taking up the most storage or anything like that, what you could go ahead and do instead is swipe down on the top right of your screen. It's going to bring up your control panel, then press the settings wheel icon right at the top right as well. Then once you go ahead and click on that, you're going to be brought to your settings. So then from here, all you want to do is go ahead and scroll down and you're going to see storage, which is under device care. So go ahead and click on that. It's going to show everything that is, in your storage and everything. So I could go to unused apps and see anything that I don't want. So I could, just like see, okay, I'm not using these apps. And then I can just go ahead and press uninstall on them. What I could also go ahead and do is scroll down to apps, which is under device care. And then I can sort them in different ways. So I can sort them by size. And when I sort them by size, I can see what is taking up the most space and what is taking up the least space. And if there's anything I don't use that's taking up a lot of space, I could go ahead and uninstall it by clicking on it. And then I'm going to see the uninstall button at the very bottom.